Marcus Body Coding Live. No footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Are you ready? First, watch for your sub today. Tap 1 and tap 6 together combination. Are you ready? Watch for your sub first. Let's go. Yes, this is the move. Are you ready to do it with me? Remember, no excuses. I'll switch the camera. Yeah, let's do it together. Are you ready? You can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We go tap, step, tap, and step. And now with the left, tap, tap, and step to the side, switching the weight. Now with the right, the same. Tap, step, and with the right, tap, tap, switch the weight. Yeah, again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time, let's go, no excuses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is the move. Yes, this is the move, and this is the groove. But wait, you still here? Yeah, let's do another practice then, wherever you are. I want to see you face to face. Let's go. Are you ready? Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah, but not doing your makeup. Practicing. Let's go. Face to face, starting with the left. Let's go. You tap. Step to the back. Tap. Step to the back. Tap. Tap. Step to the side. Yeah. With the right. Tap. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Tap. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Let's give you a tip with the hands. First, you can tap with the right, with the hand, and along with the leg. Bam, bam, bam. And you can also add a look to the side. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. And try it together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the hand and with the face. Bam, bam, stand. Go back forward. Bam, 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 and to the side. And tap, tap, step. Again. Bam, 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 bam. Tap, 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 tap. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is the move. Easy, simple, and pretty impressive. Yeah, this is the move. And if you're the serious student and you want to practice this move and get it inside your bones, how do you do that? You can search the links to the full tutorial for both of the moves we were doing, tap 1 and tap 6 together, so you can find these two moves. Full tutorial for each one of them. Where? In the links above or below. Or if you're on Instagram, you can check the link to the YouTube channel in the bio. Yeah. And search the YouTube channel for these two moves. Tap 1 and tap 6. Yeah, so you can practice with me in the studio for free. Anytime you want. Forever for free. Yes. This is Marcus Body Coding. New footwork every day, but new coding every day. Yes, every move has a name. and we call universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Do you dance hip hop? Do you dance salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, samba, any kind of zumba, any kind of dance that you want? You can do them. Universal. Exciting. I know. And either way, do this move today. Today. Just today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have no footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So make sure to do it today so you'll be ready for tomorrow's new footwork. See you tomorrow.